Are you secretly damaging your health without even knowing it? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to stay sharp, energetic and healthy well into their 80s and 90s while others struggle with constant fatigue, infections and declining health? What if the difference isn't just luck or genetics, but something as simple as how you take care of your body each day? Most of us follow the same hygiene routine we've had for decades: showering, brushing our teeth, maybe applying some lotion, and assume we're doing everything right. But here's something shocking: there are 5 overlooked body parts that most people, especially older adults, aren't cleaning properly, and here's why that matters. Neglecting these areas can lead to serious health issues, from chronic inflammation to infections that weaken your immune system. New research suggests that poor hygiene in these areas may even contribute to heart disease, diabetes, complications, and cognitive decline. Fixing this takes just minutes a day, but it can improve your energy, enhance circulation, and even boost longevity. I never thought much about these hidden hygiene mistakes until I had a conversation with Dr. Emma Harris, a geriatric specialist with over 30 years of experience working with old adults. What she shared completely changed the way I think about personal hygiene. So today I'm going to reveal 5 body parts that most people neglect, and why giving them just a little extra care could add years to your life. And don't worry, I'm not here to tell you to spend hours in the bathroom or buy fancy products. These are simple, practical tips that take just minutes a day, but the impact on your health could be life-changing. Stick with me until the end, because once you learn these 5 key areas, you'll start noticing real changes: fresher breath, better balance, fewer aches, and even improved sleep. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. If you care about your health and want more tips like this, hit the like button. It helps me bring you more valuable content. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another video that could help you live better longer. Now let's get started with one of the most surprising yet most overlooked parts of your body: your tongue. The hidden health risk you never think about. Imagine this: you clean your kitchen every day, wipe down the counters, scrub the sink, and take out the trash. But what if I told you there was one surface in your home that was collecting layers of grime, bacteria, and food particles, and you are completely ignoring it? That's exactly what happens inside your mouth when you don't clean your tongue properly. Your tongue is more than just a muscle that helps you eat and speak. It's a breeding ground for bacteria. At any given time, it hosts over 700 different types of microorganisms, some beneficial but many that wreak havoc on your health if left unchecked. And here's where it gets serious: harmful bacteria from your tongue can enter your bloodstream through tiny cuts or inflamed gums, especially common in older adults. Poor tongue hygiene has been linked to heart disease, diabetes, complications, and even respiratory infections. A said tongue can dull your sense of taste, weaken your immune system, and cause chronic bad breath. Think of your tongue like an air filter in your home's heating system. If you never clean it, dust and debris build up, and soon enough the air circulating through your home becomes stale and unhealthy. The good news: keeping your tongue clean is simple, fast, and requires no expensive tools. The right way to clean your tongue: here's a quick, effective routine to keep your tongue healthy. Use a tongue scraper. This small, inexpensive tool is available at any drugstore and is far more effective than brushing alone. Gently scrape from the back to the front. Don't press too hard. Think of it like wiping down a dusty countertop. You want to be thorough but not aggressive. Repeat 3-4 times. You'll often see a thin white or yellow film come off. That's bacteria and dead cells you don't want in your body. Rinse with water or an antibacterial mouthwash to flush away any remaining debris. Timing matters. Morning: do this before eating breakfast to remove overnight bacteria buildup. Night: take it slower and lighter before bed, as your tongue will be more sensitive after a full day of use. This simple 3-minute habit can transform your health in ways you never expected. The surprising benefits of tongue cleaning: regain your sense of taste. Many older adults report that after just a few weeks of tongue cleaning, flavors become more vibrant and enjoyable again. Imagine tasting your morning coffee or fresh fruit like you'd used to. Boost your immune system: your body works hard to fight off bacteria. By reducing the bacterial load in your mouth, you lighten the burden on your immune system, freeing up energy for other functions. Say goodbye to bad breath. Chronic bad breath, hosts Often caused by bacteria trapped on the tongue. Brushing your teeth alone won't fix it, but cleaning your tongue will. Take Linda, a 67-year-old retired who started tongue scraping after years of neglecting it. Within 3 months she was shocked at how much better her food tasted. She hadn't even realized how much she'd lost. At her next dental visit, her dentist noticed less plaque buildup and healthier gums. And then there's Theodore, a 71-year-old retired teacher who had battled bad breath for years. Despite brushing and flossing religiously, nothing worked. He was skeptical when I suggested tongues GRN, but after just 2 weeks his problem vanished. He no longer worried about social interactions and his confidence soared. Tips to make it easier: if you have a sensitive gag reflex, start by scraping from the middle of your tongue and slowly work your way back as you get comfortable. Look for unusual signs. If you notice persistent soreness, white patches, or discoloration, talk to your doctor. It could indicate an underlying issue worth addressing. Small intentional habits like this can ripple outward, improving your long-term well-being in ways you never imagine. And the best part, this is just the first of 5 overlooked hygiene habits that could add years to your life. So are you ready for the next one? Stick with me, because the next body part is even more surprising and even more critical for your health. Your feet, the foundation of your health that you might be neglecting. Take a moment to think about how much your feet do for you every single day. They support your weight, keep you moving, and provide balance. Yet for most people, foot care is an afterthought. A quick rinse in the shower, maybe a little lotion if they remember. But here's what most people don't realize: neglecting proper foot hygiene can lead to infections, nerve damage, and even life-altering conditions like diabetic complications. Poor foot care affects your circulation, balance, and mobility, putting you at risk for falls, swelling, and chronic pain. And for people over 50, foot health is directly connected to overall well-being. Dr. Emma Harris, a specialist in senior health, puts it this way: your feet are like the foundation of a house. If the base is weak or crumbling, everything above it, your posture, your joints, even your heart health, starts to suffer. So let's get serious about giving your feet the attention they deserve before small issues turn into big problems. Why foot care becomes more critical as you age. Your feet are complex. Each foot contains 26 bones, 33 joints, and over 100 muscles, tendons, and ligaments. That's a quarter of all the bones in your body. But as we age, circulation naturally slows down, which means your feet are often the first part of your body to show signs of trouble, swelling, or persistent cold toes. It could be a sign of poor circulation or cardiovascular issues, redness, paleness, or skin changes. These could be early warnings of diabetes complications or even nerve damage, aching, or burning sensations. This might indicate neuropathy, which can affect balance and movement. And if you have diabetes, foot care is not just about comfort, it's about preventing infections, ulcers, and even amputations. So what's the solution? The right way to care for your feet every day. Most people assume that simply standing in the shower lets water do the work, but that's not enough. You need to be intentional about foot hygiene. Wash your feet daily, thoroughly. Use a soft washcloth and mild soap to gently clean the top, soles, and sides of your feet. Pay extra attention to the spaces between your toes. This is where bacteria and fungus love to hide. Think of it like cleaning window blinds.